warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muriani, peserta PPG dalam Jabatan Angkatan 3 tahun 2021 dari LPTK Universitas Sanata Dharma. Saya akan melaksanakan uji kinerja pembelajaran bahasa Inggris secara daring untuk kelas 1 pemasaran SMK NU 02 Rawasari. Saya akan mengajar materi announcement pertemuan pertama. Terima kasih. Selamat menyaksikan. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm Evan and you?
I'm very well, thank you. Before start the lesson today, let's begin with a prayer. Any volunteer to lead a prayer?
Yes, Bu. Before we start the lesson today, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Siva. Now, I want to check the attendance first. I won't call you one by one. Okay? The first, Siva Fauzia.
Present.
Okay, next. Siti Lulu Mawanti.
Present.
Evi Nurita.
Present.
Fitri Kurnia.
Present.
Siti Diana.
Present.
Fitria Maulidia.
Present.
Isma Indri.
Present.
Putri Wulan.
Present.
Siska Endang.
Present.
Putri Wardina.
Present.
Oke, good. Masih semangat untuk belajar hari ini?
Semangat. Oke, Bu.
Okay, good. I hope all of you still have a passion to study. Okay, now I will give you a link Padlet in the chat box. I give you some question. Please click the link Padlet in the chat box. Silakan diakses. Gimana? Ada kesulitan?
Sebentar, Bu.
Oke, ada yang tidak bisa? Please give the name. Iya, ini Dina. Dina sama Lulu sudah. Ya, Diana. Oke, good. Oke, good. Isma Indri, Lydia, Siska. Next. Diana. Evi. Untuk memberikan informasi. Oke. Next. Have you ever got information written or spoken? Ya, di sini Lulu sudah. Yes, I have. It is spoken. Okay, good. Effie, I have. It's about written. Okay. What was the information about? Okay, Lulu. It's about COVID-19. Okay, good. Siva, do you hear my voice?
Ya, Bu.
Please read your answer, Siva. Do you make the announcement? Your answer is?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Okay, good. The next question. What do you know about the announcement?
The announcement is to give the information to other people.
Okay, the next question. Have you ever got information written or spoken, Siva?
Yes, I have. The information is spoken.
Okay, the last question, Siva. What was the information about?
About politics in Irlandia.
Okay, good. Okay, I think that's all about a question. No. Before we start the lesson, do you still remember what did we learn last week, guys?
Simple past tense, Bu.
Good. Can you explain about simple past tense?
To tell the last time, Bu.
Excellent. Simple past tense is a form of tense used to explain things that have already happened or happened a while ago. Ya, jadi misalkan simple past tense itu diterapkan dalam kehidupan kalian sehari-hari, bisa enggak?
Bisa, Bu.
Sangat bisa sekali, Bu.
Good. Now I ask you, where did you go yesterday? Any volunteer to answer my question?
I went to Semarang with my family, Bu.
Okay, good. How about you, Wulan? Wulan, do you hear my voice?
Stay at home, Bu.
Okay, good. What did you do, Lan?
I watch Korea drama, Bu. Sometimes I also to help my parents.
Okay, good job. Now, I want to show you about learning objective. Please allow me to start my screen. Yeah. Do you see my screen?
Bisa, Bu.
Bisa.
Okay, good. Sekarang di sini tentang tujuan pembelajaran yang nantinya akan kita dapatkan ya. Di sini yang pertama adalah peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dari teks announcement. Ya, terus selanjutnya nanti kalian harus bisa melengkapi ya teks announcement rumpang ya dengan menggunakan kata atau frase melalui media Jamboard sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dengan tepat. Ya, oke. Itu tentang tujuan pembelajarannya. Ya, today we will discuss about announcement text. Okay, the next. Why do we need to learn the topic today? Ya, because it's useful in real life, such as if we want to provide information about an event, job vacancies, new student admission, and so on, by providing formal information to the general public or certain communities. The next, I want to show you the video. After it, I will give you some question. So please pay attention. Do you understand?
Yes, Bu.
This is a video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Attention please to all students of SMK Informatika Al-Islamiyah Kota Cirebon. I would like to inform you that the workshop will be started in 10 minutes. So for those who are still in the classroom, please come to the hall directly. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let's check it out. Text about the video. Yeah, I have already the sentence about the video. Any volunteer to read the text? Okay, Lulu, good. Please.
Attention please to all of student SMP Informatika Al-Islamiyah Kota Cirebon. I would like to inform you that the workshop that will be start in 10 minutes so for those all are still in the classroom. Please come to the hall directly. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you, Lulu. And now, I have some vocab from the text. Please discuss about the vocab. I will give you 5 minutes to translate about the vocabulary. Do you understand?
Yes, Bu.
Okay, good. Finish?
Finish, Bu.
Okay. The first word. Any volunteer? Hello.
To inform artinya untuk menginformasikan, Bu.
Okay, good. The next.
The workshop yang artinya pembelajaran, Bu.
Okay. Next.
Will be start artinya akan dimulai, Bu.
Okay. Next.
The hall artinya aula, Bu.
Directly artinya langsung, Bu.
Okay, good.
Announce artinya pengumuman, Bu.
Yes. The last.
Announcer artinya mengumumkan, Bu.
Okay, good. Thank you, my student. Now, please answer the question about the text. Number 1. Who announced that information? Any volunteer to answer my question?
The teacher, Bu.
The teacher. Any other answer?
No, Bu, I agree with Lulu answer, Bu.
Okay, good. The question number 2. For whom that announcement?
Student at SMP Informatika Al Islamiyah, Bu.
Okay, good, Lydia. The next question. Dina, maybe. What is announcement about?
I'm sorry, Bu, I cannot answer. Can you help me to answer it, guys?
Yeah, maybe any volunteer to help?
Saya, Bu.
Yes, Siva, gimana?
Announcement, Bu.
Okay, good. How about the other?
Might be about the workshop will start, Bu.
Excellent. The last question. Where is that announcement made?
In the school, Bu.
Good. No. Let's check it out the answer. Ya. Tadi di sini adalah who announced that information. The answer is teacher. And question number 2, for whom that announcement? Student at SMP Informatika Islamiyah. What is announcement about? It's about the workshop will be start. And the last question, where is that announcement made? Di sini jawabannya adalah at school. Okay, the next I have a problem orientation. Siva, do you hear my voice, Siva?
Ya, Bu.
Yeah, can you read the sentence about problem orientation, please?
Problems orientation. October 28 is Youth Pledge Day atau Hari Sumpah Pemuda. Our school will celebrate it. If you are an OSIS chairperson, what will you do then?
Oke, thank you Siva. Ya, di sini berarti our school will celebrate it. If you are an OSIS chairperson, what will you do then? I will give you a link Padlet and you can write your opinion in the Padlet. I will give you in the chat box. Silahkan bisa dilihat. You can write your opinion about what will you do if you were a chairperson an OSIS to celebrate your pledge day in the school. Evie, I will have a cooking competition. Oke. Yang lainnya? Oke, Diana, Isma Indri, Lulu, Lydia, Dina. Oke, good. Wulan. Yang lainnya? Dina, can you hear my voice, Dina? Oke, Indri. Can you explain about your opinion? Halo, Indri.
Saya menjadi ketua OSIS.
Hmm?
Saya akan mengadakan lomba makan kerupuk tentang pemuda untuk memperingati Hari Sumpah Pemuda, Bu.
Okay, good. Lydia, can you hear my voice? Lydia, can you?
Di sekolah, untuk memperingati Hari Sumpah Pemuda, saya akan mengadakan pengajian untuk mendoakan arwah para pahlawan yang telah gugur dalam peristiwa itu, Bu.
Okay, good. How about Diana? Diana, can you explain about your opinion, Diana?
Jika saya menjadi ketua OSIS di sekolah, saya akan mengadakan lomba tarik tambang di sekolah untuk memperingati Hari Sumpah Pemuda, Bu.
Okay, good. Okay, the last I will ask you, Wulan.
Jika saya menjadi ketua OSIS, saya akan mengadakan lomba puisi bertema pemuda untuk memperingati Hari Sumpah Pemuda.
Okay, good. Yeah. Now we will try to complete the blank announcement with the suitable word in the word wall.
Celebrate, Bu.
Yeah, the first, maybe Wulan. Your answer is Wulan. Apa Wulan?
Celebrate, Bu.
Oh, celebrate. Okay, the next. Fitri maybe.
Activity, Bu.
Activity. Okay, next. Evie maybe.
Well now, Bu.
Well known. Okay, the next.
Celebration, Bu.
Okay, and the last. Yang terakhir berarti di sini ada
Health, Bu.
health. Okay. Now, check it out about the answer. Masih salah 2 ternyata. Ya, sekarang kita bahas ya yang tadi. Berarti di sini yang pertama, our school will celebrate its ya. 17th anniversary on celebrate. What's the meaning of celebrate?
Artinya merayakan, Bu.
Oke, good Siva. Ya, merayakan. Berarti sekolahan kita akan merayakan ulang tahun yang ke-17 ya. Tadi di sini yang salah itu ya, itu antara health sama activities ya. Health itu apa sih? Will be held. Akan apa?
Akan diadakan, Bu.
Oke, good Diana. Ya, akan diadakan ya. Tadi di sini kesalahannya activities dulu ya. Di sini will be activities terus health-nya malah di bawah ya. Ternyata di sini yang benar adalah will be held, bahwa di situ eventnya ya akan ada bazar spesial yang akan diadakan bersamaan dengan musik show. Dan di situ yang terakhir di situ tadi adalah activities for the reason all school extracurricular. Ya, berarti kegiatan ekstrakurikuler. Seperti itu ya. Paham? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
Okay, good. No, I want to show you the announcement text. Please read carefully ya, and answer the question below. Any volunteer to read the text, please? Ya, ada yang mau membaca ini teksnya?
Saya, Bu.
Ya, Siva, please.
Attention, please. Our school will have a dancing competition that will be held on 14 March 2019. Registration will be held on 10 until 12 at Oasis Room. Free registration and full of prize. For more information, contact our Oasis chairperson.
Okay, good. Thank you, Siva. Now, we will discuss about the question. The question number 1. Okay. When will the competition be held? Any volunteer to answer my question? When? When itu artinya apa sih?
Kapan?
Okay, good. When will the competition be held? The answer is
On 14 March 2019, Bu.
okay, good. The next question. What is the announcement about?
Competition, Bu.
Any another answer?
About dancing competition, Bu.
Excellent. The last question. Maybe Lydia. Lydia, what is the purpose of the announcement?
I don't know, Bu.
Any volunteer to help the Lydia answer? Ada yang bisa membantu Lydia untuk menjawab pertanyaannya? Ya, okay, good.
Memberikan informasi tentang dancing competition.
Another answer?
To inform the announcement, Bu.
Ada lagi?
Saya, Bu,
Mm-mm.
untuk menginformasikan semua siswa tentang adanya kompetisi.
Okay, good. Now let's check it out about the question. Siva, bisa dibaca Pak nomor 1 ini, Pak?
When will the competition be held?
The answer is?
On 14 March 2019.
Okay, the next, number 2. Can you read the question? What is the announcement about? Di sini, it's about dancing competition. Berarti tentang kompetisi menari, ya. Terus yang ketiga, the last question. What is the purpose of the announcement? The answer is to inform all of students there will be dancing competition. Any question?
No, Bu.
No. Okay. Now, how to create the announcement? How to create the announcement?
Menuliskan judul, Bu.
Apa tadi?
Menuliskan judul, Bu.
Menuliskan
Menuliskan
judul.
judul.
Iya, berarti pertama di situ adalah menuliskan judul. Anything else? Ada yang lain? Any another
Nama yang
answer? Nama yang
membuat, Bu.
Nama yang membuat. Bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya, Fit?
The name that makes it, Bu.
The name that make it. Okay, good. How to create the announcement?
Untuk siapa pengumuman dibuat, Bu?
Untuk siapa pengumuman itu dibuat? Oke, good. Ada lagi yang lain?
The content of announcement, Bu.
The content of announcement. Okay, good. How about the tenses?
Menggunakan future, Bu. Kan sebuah pengumuman itu belum terjadi.
Okay, good. Maybe any another answer?
Pas juga bisa kan, Bu? Misalkan mengumumkan suatu berita, otomatis kejadiannya berarti kan dah lampau.
Excellent. Now we will discuss about the material, about announcement text. Ya. Lulu, can you read the text?
Announcement text is a written or spoken text that tells something has happened or will happen.
Okay, yes, ya. Written or spoken text, ya. Announcement text is a written or spoken text that tells something has happened or will happen. Berarti teks announcement itu adalah sebuah tulisan, ya, sebuah pengumuman yang bisa berbentuk tulisan atau bisa berbentuk lisan, ya, yang digunakan to tell something, untuk memberitahu kepada seseorang tentang sesuatu hal yang terjadi atau yang akan terjadi. Terus selanjutnya, ya, terus selanjutnya di sini adalah tentang social function-nya, ya, social function or purpose, ya. Di sini adalah tentang tujuan dari announcement-nya. Is used for giving people some information of what has happened or what will happen. And the next about generic structure. The first, starting purpose, about head, starting day, date and time, place. This is a body. And the last, informing sender. This is about closing, ya. Berarti tentang penutupnya. And the next about language features, ya. Di sini menggunakan yang pertama adalah present tense, future tense, conjunction, and passive voice. Now for the example. Attention please, ya. Di sini adalah sebagai title-nya atau judulnya, ya. Setelah judul, di situ diikuti dengan apa? Dengan adanya content or explanation, berisi, ya, tentang isinya atau penjelasannya. Pengumumannya itu menjelaskan tentang apa, ya. Terus the last, terakhir di sini adalah tentang closingnya atau penutupnya, ya. Di sini for more information, untuk lebih lanjut, ya, informasinya bisa menghubungi ketua OSIS, yaitu sebagai closingnya. Oke. Now Please analyze this announcement text. Let's find out more. Ya, di sini ada teks yang sudah kita bahas tadi, ya. Terus saya minta kalian untuk menemukan, ya, to analyze the text about simple present tense, simple future, passive voice, and the last about the conjunction. Maybe any volunteer to answer my question? Can you find the simple present in this text?
Ya, Bu.
Okay, Siva.
Kontak our OSIS chairperson, Bu.
Okay, good. What do you think about your answer? Kenapa kamu memilih bahwa simple present tense ini tadi adalah kontak our OSIS chairperson? Kenapa itu dikatakan sebagai simple present tense, Pak?
Karena kontak our OSIS chairperson itu artinya disuruh menghubungi ketua OSIS. Jadi waktu terjadinya itu sekarang, Bu.
Good. The next, maybe any volunteer to find about future tense in this text? Ada yang bisa menemukan tentang future tense-nya? Simple future.
Dancing competition, Bu.
Our school will have dancing competition. Okay, good, Wulan. Untuk mengetahui simple future dari mananya, Lan?
Kan ada will itu artinya akan. Jadi kompetisi itu masih akan diadakan atau belum diadakan.
Okay, good. The next about the passive voice. Untuk passive voice-nya ada yang bisa menemukan?
Saya, Bu.
Ya, lalu
Will be held on 14 March 2019 on. Registration will be held on 10 until 12 at OSIS room, Bu.
okay, good. How about the conjunction?
Saya, Bu,
Iya, Evi, gimana, Vi?
for and.
For and. The meaning of for?
For untuk
Mm-mm.
and dan.
Okay, good. Okay, now I will give you some question for you about the lesson today. What do you learn the lesson today? Any volunteer to answer my question? What do you learn the lesson today, guys? Yeah, what do you learn the lesson today?
We learned about announcement, Bu.
Anything else? Ada jawaban yang lain?
Ada, Bu. Struktur kalimat dari announcement ada 3. Yang pertama head untuk judul, yang kedua body untuk penjelasan dari pengumuman, dan yang ketiga adalah closing atau penutup yang berisi contact person.
Okay, good. The next question. Which part is still difficult to do?
Menentukan unsur kebahasaan dari teksnya.
What is your plan to make you better at doing that?
Menentukan unsur kebahasaan dari teksnya.
Iya. What is your plan to make you better at doing that?
I will study hard.
Okay, good. And the last question. Do you enjoy the activity today?
Yes, Bu.
Yes, Bu.
Okay, good. Thank you. The last one about the assignment. I will give you a link Google form in WA group. You can answer the question about announcement. Please read the question carefully and please choose the best answer. Very clear?
Clear, Bu.
Okay, thank you. About the next meeting, please create an announcement with a Canva. Before it, you can make the concept first. If you any problem to make it, you can chat in WA group. Any question?
No, Bu.
No, Bu.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I think that's all for today. And thank you for join in my class. Terima kasih banyak kalian sudah mau bergabung. Thanks for your attention. Kalian sudah luar biasa and I really appreciate and proud all of you. Sekali lagi terima kasih, tetap semangat untuk selalu belajar, tetap jaga kesehatan, stay healthy di tengah pandemik seperti sekarang ini. Before we close the activity today, any volunteer to lead the prayer?
Before we end the lesson today, let's pray together.
Okay, thank you for your attention, my student. The quote of the day from Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ya, setiap orang menjadi guru dan setiap rumah menjadi sekolah. So, don't stop to study every time, everywhere, and every condition. See you next time, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye guys.
Bye.